देश के प्रमुख और IRDAI लाइसेंस प्राप्त टीपीए में से एक एमडी इंडिया हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस टीपीए प्राइवेट लिमिटेड ने दिल्ली एनसीआर में अपनी मौजूदगी बढ़ाते हुए फरीदाबाद में नई शाखा कार्यालय शुरू किया है। 25 वर्षों की सेवा यात्रा पूरी कर चुकी कंपनी देश भर में 125 कार्यालयों और विस्तृत अस्पताल नेटवर्क के जरिए 26 करोड़ से अधिक पॉलिसी होल्डर्स को सेवाएं दे रही है। आपको बताते चलें कि टीपीए के रूप में एमडी इंडिया कैशलेस उपचार, प्री ऑथराइजेशन और क्लेम प्रबंधन जैसी महत्वपूर्ण सुविधाएं सुनिश्चित करता है। कंपनी सरकारी योजनाएं, कॉर्पोरेट और रिटेल स्वास्थ्य बीमा पॉलिसियों में भी अहम भूमिका निभाती है। इस अवसर पर आसिफ अख्तर, चीफ बिजनेस ऑफिसर रिटेल बिजनेस ने कहा, एनसीआर देश के सबसे बड़े स्वास्थ्य बीमा बाजारों में से एक है और फरीदाबाद शाखा ग्राहक सेवाओं को और तेज व सुलभ बनाने की दिशा में अहम कदम है। कंपनी का लक्ष्य है कि क्षेत्र में पॉलिसी धारकों, अस्पतालों और साझेदारों को अधिक सुगम और पारदर्शी सेवा अनुभव प्रदान किया जा सके।
But anyways, about MD India, this is our silver jubilee this year. We have completed 25 years this year. And as far as companies is concerned, we have started in 2000, March 2000, and this has been, we have already started. And Pan India, we have got around 125 offices. This is our office number 126, right? And we are servicing nearly, 1/6 of the Indian population. We can say 26 crore of population that we have been looking forward. And going forward, we have a bigger plans, because whenever we are looking forward for the the government directive which has insurance for everybody till 2047. For that matter, what we believe, I think that we are on a right path, and the company has a right vision, and the company has a motto, whatever we say, seva parmo dharma. This is our motto, this is our punchline, which in itself indicates that service is the supreme, service is supreme to the human mankind. So that is one aspect. And about the other offices, other aspects of jobs, and about our position in market right now, we can say we are very stable at the moment. And we are one of the leading players as of now, who have been taking it to the next level, and we have been moving from a strength to a strength.
So I just know one thing कि expansion की need क्यों है इतनी?
See, I just said, whenever I think the government came out with this initiative, like insurance to all by 2047. So it's a very clear cut indication, because by any means the market is only 40% market is covered as on date, and by any means of insurance. So the penetration level is very important. Unless we have our expansion or our footprints at various, at a very neighborhood level also, it will be very difficult, because since it's a service industry, and service industry requires a lot of personalized touch. And so when we have different stakeholders, they all require a right kind of coordination all together.
भारतीय बीमा कंपनी जितनी भी हैं उनकी वर्तमान में क्या स्थिति है? क्या लगता है कि इनमें और क्या-क्या हम लोग चेंजेस कर सकते हैं?
ये बीमा कंपनी, whenever we are talking about health insurance company by and large. तो अभी जो लास्ट ईयर का हमारा लास्ट फाइनेंशियल ईयर, वट एवर द क्लोजर वी हैड डन द टोटल बिजनेस ऑफ 1,10,000 crore. And business overall is growing at a rate of 20,000. The annual growth is 20,000 per year. So going by that statistics, we really believe that we are poised to reach 1,50,000 crore by this financial year. और जहाँ तक स्थिति है इसकी, आई थिंक व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड, आई थिंक व्हेन इंडस्ट्री has started into the this post liberalization, there was sudden jump. And we experienced more jump after corona also, wherein a lot of insurance products were sold in the market. And the graph is increasing very much. So if we see, the future belongs to health insurance in India particularly. Why? Because only, I told you earlier, for only 40% people are covered, and we have a tremendous potential, tremendous opportunity for this market, and we are poised to grow, and the market will grow for that matter.
सर
सर, और भी कई हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी है, इसमें एमडी इंडिया में क्या प्रमुख है और क्या क्या चुनौतियों का आपको सामना करना पड़ा मार्केट में?
MD India is basically a third party administrator. तो हमारी एक third party administrator में we have roughly 25 companies right now at the moment. तो उसमें there are two leaders right now. If you say one is MD India, the other one is Mediassist. So हमारा जो conclusion है in terms of top line business, we have been doing 19,000 crore of business. So one of the front runners in this industry is this. Whether this industry अगर आप overall देखोगे तो इसमें क्या है right now, the stability, the quality delivery, and overall the concern for the clients, and there are many factors which is driving this industry to the next level. So अगर हम आज के डेट में कहते हैं वाई एमडी इंडिया या इंडिया अलग क्यों है, तो आवर फिलोसफी इज जस्ट वन थिंग, दैट वी आर poised to render high tech and high touch service to our customers within the defined guideline laid down by the insurance companies. So we believe we are delivering quality, and we are quite capable to deliver in the longer future of for as well.
फरीदाबाद